Hey guys, it's your girl TinekeIman and I'm back with another video. Let's go. So as you can see by the title, you can kind of see what this video is going to be. So I was talking to some people and I was thinking, I need a niche. I need something that's me. Okay, on YouTube. So my thing is, as I'm gonna do my makeup, we gonna have sipping tea with tea. This is my little notes. Okay, so sipping tea with what tea? I got my tea for us to sip. Okay, so get yours too. So as I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna give you the breakdown on social media. Okay, so in the last 2 weeks, literally in the last month, there is a lot been going on. It is only March and let's go. Now let's get the big thing out of the way. The biggest thing that has been happening this month, last month, I don't know, sometime. Jordyn versus the Kardashians. Jordyn, Tristan and Chloe Gate. Fenty, as you know. Yeah, Fenty. But if you've been living under a rock, Jordyn was at a party at Tristan's house. Tristan kissed her, you know, she went home, didn't tell Chloe, and then got found out, whatever. Got kicked out the house. When I first found out, I was like, what? Like, huh? Like, who? And when I saw Tristan, I was like, it didn't surprise me that it was Tristan because men are trash. Men are trash. Tristan is extra trash. That's what I thought. It did not surprise me that it was Tristan. But then when I saw that it was Jordyn, I was like, oh no, girl. What are you doing? Like, I really wanted it to be a lie, that it was just a rumour. That's what I really wanted it to be. So then as I think it was a week came around, everyone was having their opinion about it. And then Jordyn finally went on the Red Table Talk, which I was actually really happy she did it on the Red Table Talk because it was with the Smiths. Like, who's going to go against the Smiths? Like, come on now. And I already knew, I know some people didn't, but I knew that she was cousins with the Smiths, or she was close, basically their cousin, but she was close to Smith. So I was like, yeah, good platform. It's not going to be judged on there. It's Jada. Like, I watched the Red Table Talk anyway. So I thought, it's a good platform. Like, it's good to do it on there. And when I was watching her story, one sis looked good. She looked real good. Like, I don't know if you saw, but Alyssa, Ashley and Jackie have done, like, makeup videos on that look. But she looked good, okay? But I believed her. I believed everything she said in that story because we all know how Tristan is. So I believed everything she said. Like, yes, I do not agree with what she did. She was in the wrong. For her to be who she is, she shouldn't have been there in the first place. But she admitted that, but she should not have been there in the first place. She should have left that party, took her ass home. She said, oh, you're going Tristan's? Okay, I'm not. That is what she should have done. And then when she said that she had her leg on his leg, that was a bit,
My legs were laying right over his. Okay. My butt was never sitting on him.
But your legs were, so he
but
was...
But my legs were dangling down, so I picked them up and I put them over.
Onto his legs?
Onto the bottom of his legs, yes.
That was a bit sus, a bit suspicious. I don't understand why you were doing that. That's another place where she went wrong. And then when she left, she said that he kissed her. I mean, she went back home to Kylie's house, which is where she lives. And she was talking to Chloe and Kylie, and she didn't say anything. Another place where you went wrong. You should have said it straight up. At your boy, your baby father, kiss me. That is what she should have said. Put her out a little bit if she had said that. But she didn't. So it made it look like she was hiding much more. So I do not agree with her being there at all. So I'm not on her side for that part of the situation. However, I mean, I already know Tristan is trash, so I'm not even going to address him. Because Chloe should have been left his ass. After the interview came out, Chloe tweeted, I'll put it up somewhere. Chloe tweeted that you're the reason my family broke up. Skirt.
Boy, if you don't...
No. Tristan is the reason your family broke up, sis. How you get them is how you what? Lose them. He's the reason your family broke up. Your family broke up from when he cheated when you was about to go into the... Yes, Jordyn is your sister. I would have had some words for her. But she is not the reason your family broke up. Like, to put all that on her. She said her mum couldn't go to work, her sister couldn't go to school, her brother couldn't go to work, whatever. That's a lot. No. Chloe was dead wrong for that. Keep that same energy for your man. Keep that same energy publicly for your man. We're just going to do a lighter under eye. So this is just warm honey. After she said that and Chloe literally got violated by Black Twitter. Like, oh my God, when she tweeted that, do you know how many tweets I saw saying, Jordyn, we got you, girl. Even though Jada said, let's all uplift her. Then she said, then she apologized. But she should have done that in the first place. Looking like a little get. But yeah, that was the first thing. Jordyn versus the Kardashians. Next we have the whole R.Kelly situation with Girl King. So, I already watched the Surviving R.Kelly documentary. Disgusting. He's a disgusting person. So, to be honest, this talk is not even going to focus on him. This talk is actually focusing on the two girls, Joycelyn and Azriel. Girls, like, come on now, like, stop it. Stop being stupid. Because they're of age now. They're both, I'd say, of age. So, like, if that's what they want to do, that's what they want to do. But in that interview, Azriel, oh my days, someone should slap her up upside her head. I'm sorry, she had no home training the way she was talking to girl. Are you dumb? She better respect her elders. She was so angry for what? Like, why are you angry? Like, you're sleeping with a grown man. Why are you angry? Like, ew. Like, she had so much mouth, and Joycelyn was like just sitting there like, I've been through this before, I'm just gonna agree with everything she says. But Azriel was just, I don't know if you've watched it, but she was so angry.
Yes. No, I wouldn't, okay then. No, you're next right. Question. No, you're right, I would not.
To top it off, the video after, there was a video of Joycelyn, the older one, calling her family, well, she called her family's attorneys or whatever, so she called her family, and the girl, I swear she was following a script, because she was talking to her mum, and each time her mum spoke, she was saying the same thing. I'll see if I can get the video up.
I just want to let you know, like right now, I need you to listen, like really listen to me. I have told you guys a million times that I am okay where I am and I'm happy.
She was saying the same thing. So she kept saying, I just want you to know that I'm happy, blah, 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 blah. I want you to know I'm happy, blah, blah, blah. The same thing. She kept saying it, yeah? Any question her mum asked about her grandparents, about everything, same thing, she replied. But then, when her little sister came to talk on the phone, the girl went quiet.
I'm okay. You know that I'm happy. You know exactly where I'm at, and you need to stop. You just need
Hey, Jocelyn.
Okay.
Hey, Jocelyn.
Good.
It's Jordyn.
She went quiet. She did not have not one word to say. Because her little sister triggered her. She triggered her heartstrings. Her little sister triggered her. She went off script. She didn't know what to say. So she asked for her mum to come back on the phone to put her back on track. Her mum came back on the phone. She said the same things. Her sister said, I love you. Come home. She said, what? Nothing. She went quiet. This is why I believe she was following the script, because she didn't know what to say, because that wasn't part of her script. Her little sister coming on the phone was not part of the script. She had not been trained to that. Therefore, she didn't know what to say. Like, I understand if you're happy, yeah, but why can't you go and talk to your parents? Like, give them a call every month. Not even every day or every week. Like, you haven't spoken to them in what, how many years? How many years? Give them a call. Show them that you're okay. Anyway. Next. My Fenty powder in honey. My boy Jussie Smollett. Smollett, if I say it? Yes. Jussie, Jamal from Empire, if you watch Empire or still watch Empire. I still watch Empire. Like, I'm loyal. I'm not going to give up on it. I love me some Taraji P. Henson. I'm not going to give up on it. Okay? Jussie apparently got attacked by two men. Two Donald Trump supporters. It was a homophobic and race attack. And he got poured bleach over him, a noose tied behind his neck. That's what the story states. That's what Jussie said that happened. Okay? So now it's coming out that he was lying. First of all, they arrested two black men for it. When he said it was a race attack, so that it was two white men. The two black men because they found a video of two black men before the attack buying Trump hats. But then it came out that those two black men were actually his trainers. The money that they said Jussie had paid those two. But then they actually researched and checked out the money, and they were actually his trainers. So
what?
So I think that's been cancelled out. But anyway, so I saw on the Shade Room the other day that Jussie has now been indicted for 16 counts of... Hold on, let me double check that.
A few moments later.
My Laura in Deep Dark. But yeah, it was on the Shade Room, and it said that a grand jury had indicted Jussie on 16 felony counts. 16. 16 of what? Like 16. Where did that number 16 come from? So if he was lying, which I hope he's not, and I hope that his truth finally comes out, but if he is, oh, I didn't want to get it on my top. If he is lying, okay, and it didn't happen, well, he set it up, but 16 counts of what? I don't know how, you know, the justice system works over there, or I don't know how the justice system works, but he lied, he got people to do a fake attack, he reported it. 3 things? Maybe that there was 2 people, so double it. 16? 6 things? 16. Please someone break it down to me. Where did those 16 things come from? Because me not understand. Like, I don't get it. I really don't get where 16 felony counts come from. Like, someone break it down for me, please. And also, like, again, like I said, I still watch Empire, and I feel like Empire did your boy dirty, like, from the beginning. Like, they writ him out of the last 2 episodes. So basically, they're taking him back to England. Spoiler alert, sorry if you're not there yet. But basically, he's going to go back to England. I'm guessing. But they writ him out of the last 2 episodes. That is rude. That is rude. Okay? Okay. Next. So, you know, the brows and the lashes are done. For my highlight, I'm just going to put some, you know, Trophy Wife, Fenty Beauty. Just going for a nice little simple look. I'm going to put this in my inner corner. For my nose highlight, again, it's Fenty. This is Rum. So it's the Rum Matchstick. So I'm just going to put it on my nose and then my bridge. Just going for a nice golden look today. Looking at Rudolph, the gold-nosed reindeer. So this comes out a lot. So we're just going to tap it lightly. See, look at that. And lastly, and this goes with my last topic, Baby Phat is coming back. Baby Phat. Like, I had a Rockaway jacket when I was younger, but I always wanted Baby Phat, but I never got it. But Kimora Lee Simmons is coming back with Baby Phat. Look, your girl's nails are pink. Kimora was the first reality TV, like Kimora Life and the Fab Lane.
I'm a mogul and a model, and best of all, I'm a mom. I'm Kimora Lee Simmons, and this is my life in the Fab Lane. Fabulous, fabulous.
If you watch that, you're a real one. You're a real one. Always bringing Baby Phat back. So because of that, I'm gonna put some pink. I'm gonna put this is Free from Morphe. So I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna mix a little bit of It Girl into it. It's a little bit lighter. And then we're gonna go for my Morphe spray. And then for my lips, we're just gonna do a Tineké nude, as we always do. So look at this pencil, ratchet. So this is Cork from MAC. To outline my lips, and then I'm just gonna use this is from Makeup Revolution, but any see-through clear lip gloss. And in the middle, I've got this, I won this somewhere, I can't remember. This is Lip Plumping Shimmer Gloss, honey flavoured. I don't know where, I don't know what company this is from. But we're just going to put, it's got a little bit of a glitter in the middle. It's got a little bit of a gold glitter. Glitter. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed sipping tea with what tea. I'm going to try and do this every week to every 2 weeks. You know, a weekly roundup of social media. So get your tea with tea. Just want to do a quick shout out before I finish. You know, one shout out goes to Rebecca, you know, So Divine Salon, with the hair. My locks are back. If you want to see how she does her, these are crochet locks, check one of my videos. I'll put the link in the description box. And also shout out to my cousin. This is Craig Cloths. Get your dope t-shirts from his clothing line. I'll put the link in the description box as well. If you're new, thank you for watching. You know, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. If you've watched a couple of videos and you haven't pressed that subscribe button yet, why not? Like, come on, join the family. And next video right there, subscribe right there. Peace.
I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana. Roger that, over. Copiana.